What's going on, you guys? Funny Videos do here, and today I'm going to give my dog a bath and see how he likes it. I don't know what it's gonna be. Dude, does my hair look good? Let me flip this. Ooh. Good. Alright. Let's do this. Daz, I'm gonna need you to cooperate with me here, buddy. Alright? Okay? Alright, let's see if you can do it. Daz, come upstairs with me, okay? Okay, pop it. Alright, let's go. Come. Get there. Ow! No, no. Upstairs. Get in there. No, not in Casey's room. Not in Casey's. No. Of course I'm gonna take his collar off. I'm not that stupid. So he doesn't. Alright. Let's do this. There. Alright, let's take this collar off so you don't get shocked at death. And time has come, my friend. The time for you to get in the tub. I'm sorry, Dallas. Lay down. Sit. No. Alright. It's gonna be hard to do this with like one camera in my head. Come on. There you go. Lay down. Come on. He hates baths. That's why he's acting like this. Come on. Come on, fucking me. Give me my dog. Look at the bed. I don't even know why, because I'm actually clean. I'm just joking. I don't take baths when I'm not 7 years old anymore. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Look at that little face. He looks like a rat right now. Look. Now, I think we all know what I'm going to put on him. Oh yeah. Hoorah. Which one though? Edie, me, my, you. Alright, I'm taking the purple one. I'm going to put that purple. I'm not good with it. That purple one on him. That purple one on him. Alright. Here we go. Oh, that's probably way too much. Gosh. Is that right here? No, he's pleasing. I'm just joking. Alright, there we go. Just careful not to get it in his eye. Alright. Come on, Bobby. You can stand right here, can't you? Oh, hang on. In there. Me and my dog. Yeah. Oh. I'm almost done, you know? After this is where it gets to the hard part. After this, you have to dry them off. That's gonna be pretty hard for me. I'm pretty sure I got all this soaked in. No, now it's gonna have to. Oh, look at him! Look at that little boy. Now you look like a rat right now. I mean, no. I knew you would do that. Now it's the hard part. Let's try to get him out. And if this I might do a part 2. I don't know. Probably will. Or not. This might be. Alright, I'm gonna have to set this down here. Oh, he was stinky, so I'm glad I did this. Oh, boy. Please don't do it on me. Please don't. Not on my table. Alright, let's try you off. Well, that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. All that fur. Yeah. It's gonna be it for today. You guys like, subscribe, and I'll be making a part 2 when he's dry, so peace out.